Namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel Science Education Club, Class 8 Science, Unit 1 Scientific Learning. Very short answer questions. What are scientific experiments? Scientific experiments are systematic and controlled procedures conducted to gather evidence, test hypotheses, and explore scientific principles or phenomena. Write about the importance of scientific experiment. Scientific experiments are important because they allow scientists to test hypotheses, gather empirical evidence, and make objective observations about the natural world. Through experiments, scientists can investigate cause and effect relationships, uncover new knowledge, validate or refine existing theories, and contribute to the advancement of scientific understanding. Why should we adopt safety measures while doing science experiments? We adopt safety measures while doing science experiments to protect ourselves from potential hazards and accidents that can occur during scientific experiments. What are safety measures? Safety measures are precautions or actions taken to prevent accidents, injuries, or harm to individuals and promote a safe environment. What is scientific research? Scientific research is the systematic investigation and study conducted by scientists to expand knowledge, gain understanding, and develop new theories or practical applications in various fields of study. What is descriptive research? Descriptive research is a type of research method that aims to describe and document the characteristics, behaviors, and phenomena of a particular subject or population without attempting to explain or analyze causal relationships. Write any two parts of scientific research. Any two parts of scientific research are data collection, analysis, and interpretation. Short answer questions. Write any 2 points of importance of scientific experiment. Any two importance of scientific experiments are: it provides evidence to test the knowledge related to physical world. It helps to build up critical thinking and bring closer to understanding. Give two examples of scientific experiment related to biology. Two examples of scientific experiment related to biology are effect of light in growth of plants, structure of plant cells and animal cells. Write any three precautions that should be taken while doing scientific experiments. Three precautions that should be taken while doing scientific experiments are: use personal protective equipments, know the entry and exit routes, avoid skin and eye from direct contact with all chemicals. How are the collected data analyzed in scientific research? In scientific research, collected data is analyzed through various methods such as organizing, summarizing, and interpreting the data using statistical techniques or other analytical tools. This analysis helps identify patterns, trends, and relationships in the data, enabling researchers to draw meaningful conclusions and make evidence-based claims. Prepare a report after doing a scientific research on topic. Experiments in science subject make the understanding of science easier and present it in your class. Title: The Power of Experiments in Science Education, Making Science Easier to Understand. Introduction. Good morning everyone. Today I would like to share the findings of my research on the topic experiments in science subject make the understanding of science easier. Science can sometimes be challenging, but through my research, I aim to explore how experiments can help us understand science better. Methods. To conduct this research, I selected two groups of students. One group did hands-on science experiment, while the other group learned science through regular classroom lessons. I tested both groups before and after the research to see how well they understood science. Results. The results were amazing. The group that did experiments showed a big improvement in their understanding of science compared to the other groups. They found it easier to understand important concepts and how they are used in real life. By doing experiments, they also developed problem-solving skills and learned how to think critically. Discussion. The findings support the idea that when we do experiments, we learn better. It's because we get to see science in action, figure out what happens, and draw our own conclusions. This hands-on approach makes science more interesting and help us remember what we learn. Experiments also encourage us to ask questions and explore new things. They make us curious and excited about discovering more. This not only helps us understand science but also makes us love it and want to learn more about it. Conclusion. In conclusion, my research shows that experiments in science make learning easier. When we do experiments, we understand scientific ideas better, improve our problem-solving skills, and develop a real passion for science. As students, let's embrace experiments in our science education to make learning more fun and to unlock the full potential of science knowledge. Thank you for listening, and I am happy to answer any questions you may have. Conduct research on the given topics and prepare a report to publish in a local newspaper or your school wallpaper. Separation of decomposable and non-decomposable solid waste make it easier to dispose solid waste. Title: Effective Solid Waste Management, Separating Decomposable and Non-Decomposable Waste for Efficient Disposal. Introduction: Proper management of solid waste is essential for environmental sustainability. In this report, we focus on the importance of separating decomposable and non-decomposable solid waste as a key strategy to facilitate the disposal process and enhance waste management efficiency. Benefits of separation: by separating decomposable waste such as food scraps and plant materials from non-decomposable waste such as plastics and metals, several benefits can be achieved. Enhanced waste disposal: separation of decomposable and non-decomposable waste streamlines the disposal process. Organic waste can be composted or converted into useful resources like fertilizer through biological decomposition, while non-decomposable waste can be directed towards recycling or appropriate treatment facilities. This targeted disposal approach optimizes resource utilization and reduces the burden on landfills. Environmental impact: decomposable waste, when disposed of improperly, generates harmful greenhouse gases, contributing to climate change. By separating organic waste, it can be diverted from landfills, where it would undergo anaerobic decomposition, leading to the release of methane, a potent greenhouse gas. Proper disposal methods, such as composting, promote aerobic decomposition, reducing methane emissions and minimizing environmental impact. Efficient waste management. Effective solid waste management is crucial for maintaining cleanliness and preventing pollution. The separation of decomposable and non-decomposable waste streamlines the entire waste management process. Recycling opportunities. Separating non-decomposable waste such as plastics, metals, and glass allows for efficient recycling. Recycling reduces the need for raw materials extraction and in energy-intensive manufacturing processes, conserving resources and minimizing environmental degradation. Waste-to-energy options. With decomposable waste separated, suitable waste-to-energy technologies can be employed for energy generation. Organic waste can be used in anaerobic digestion or thermal conversion processes, producing biogas or heat energy that can be harnessed for electricity or heating purposes. Conclusion: separating decomposable and non-decomposable solid waste significantly contributes to effective waste management. It simplifies disposable processes, facilitates recycling, reduces environmental impact, and unlocks opportunities for resource recovery and energy generation. By adopting waste separation practices at the individual, community, and institutional level, we can collectively promote a sustainable approach to solid waste management and safeguard the health of our environment for future generations. Changing decomposable solid waste to manure decreases the amount of solid waste in environment. Title: Converting decomposable solid waste to manure, a sustainable solution for waste reduction. Introduction: The management of solid waste is a pressing global challenge. In this report, we explore the potential of converting decomposable solid waste into nutrient-rich manure as a sustainable approach to reduce the amount of waste in the environment. Reducing waste accumulation. By transforming decomposable solid waste, such as food scraps, plant matter, and other organic materials, into nutrient-rich manure, we can effectively reduce the amount of waste accumulating in landfills and other disposal sites. This conversion process provides an eco-friendly alternative to traditional waste disposal methods. Environmental benefits. Converting decomposable waste into manure offers several environmental benefits. Firstly, it diverts organic waste from landfills, where it would release harmful greenhouse gases during decomposition. By reducing waste in landfills, we can mitigate the environmental impact and contribute to climate change mitigation efforts. Additionally, the use of nutrient-rich manure in agriculture promotes soil health and reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers, thus minimizing chemical pollution and protecting water resources. Promoting circular economy. The conversion of decomposable waste into manure exemplifies the principles of a circular economy. Rather than treating waste as a burden, this process turns into a valuable resource that can be utilized to enrich soil fertility and support sustainable agriculture practices. By closing the loop in the waste management cycle, we can reduce reliance on external inputs and promote a more self-sustaining and regenerative system. Community engagement. Engaging the community in waste to manure conversion initiatives fosters a sense of environmental responsibility and sustainability. Community composting programs, for example, encourage individuals and households to separate organic waste, participate in composting, and utilize the resulting manure in their gardens or local green spaces. This not only reduces waste generation but also strengthens community bonds and promotes a greener lifestyle. Conclusion: Converting decomposable solid waste into nutrient-rich manure is a sustainable solution that reduces the amount of waste in the environment. This approach helps mitigate greenhouse gas emissions, enhances soil health, minimizes chemical pollution, and promotes the principle of a circular economy. By embracing waste to manure conversion practices at the individual, community, and institutional level, we can significantly contribute to waste reduction efforts and create a more sustainable future. It is easier to understand chemistry by learning in groups. Title: Enhancing Understanding of Chemistry Through Group Learning. Introduction. Chemistry is a complex subject that requires a deep understanding of various concepts and principles. In this report, we explore the benefits of learning chemistry in group and highlight how collaborative learning environments can make the subject easier to comprehend. Engagement and active participation. Learning chemistry in groups encourages active participation and engagement among students. By working together, students can discuss challenging topics, ask questions, and share their perspectives. This interaction approach fosters a deeper understanding of the subject matter as students actively contribute to the discussions, solve problems collectively, and learn from each other's insights. Improved conceptual clarity. Group learning provides opportunities for students to explain and discuss chemistry concepts with their peers. By explaining concepts to others, students reinforce their own understanding and gain a clearer grasp of the subject matter. Furthermore, group discussions allow for different perspectives and alternative explanations, which can enhance overall conceptual clarity and helps students approach chemistry from various angles. Collaborative problem solving. Chemistry often involves solving complex problems and applying theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios. Learning in groups promotes collaborative problem solving, where students can collectively analyze problems, brainstorm solutions, and critically evaluate their approaches. Through collaboration, students can pool their strengths, share different problem-solving strategies, and collectively develop a deeper problem-solving skill set. Enhanced communication and peer support. Chemistry can be challenging, and learning in groups provides a platform for peer support and communication. Students can share their struggles, seek clarification from their peers, and receive support and guidance from fellow group members. This collaborative environment creates a sense of friendship and fosters a supportive learning community where students can help each other overcome difficulties and build confidence in their chemistry skills. Conclusion: learning chemistry in groups offers numerous benefits that contribute to a better understanding of the subject. Active participation, conceptual clarity, collaborative problem solving, and peer support are all advantages of group learning in chemistry. By creating collaborative learning environments and encouraging group interactions, educators can enhance the learning experience, make chemistry more accessible, and foster a deeper comprehension of this fascinating scientific field. Regular study of science subject at home increases achievement level of students. Enhancing academic achievement, the impact of regular science study at home. Introduction: science is a fundamental subject that fosters critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and a deeper understanding of the natural world. In this report, we explore the positive effects of regular science study at home on students' academic achievement and highlight the importance of consistent learning outside the classroom. Consolidation of knowledge. Regular study of science subject at home allows students to reinforce and consolidate the knowledge acquired in the classroom by reviewing and revisiting key concepts, theories, and principles. Students can deepen their understanding and retain information more effectively. This consistent engagement with science material helps solidify the foundation necessary for further academic progress. Improved retention and recall. Science subjects often involve a significant amount of factual information and intricate details. Regular study at home enables students to practice retrieving and recalling this information, which enhances their memory retention. Through repetitive exposure to scientific concepts, students can develop stronger neural connections, leading to improved recall and a more comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. Opportunities for self-paced learning. Studying science at home offers students the flexibility to learn at their own pace. They can allocate dedicated time to delve into complex topics, explore additional resources, and engage in self-directed learning. This personalized approach allows students to cater to their individual needs, focus on areas that require more attention, and delve deeper into subjects of personal interest, ultimately leading to a higher level of achievement. Enhanced problem-solving skills. Science subjects require students to apply critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Regular study at home provides an opportunity for students to tackle challenging problems independently. By engaging in practice exercises, solving sample questions, and attempting problem-solving tasks, students develop analytical skills, logical reasoning, and the ability to apply scientific principles to real-world scenarios. These skills, sharpened through regular study, contribute to improved academic performance in science subjects. Conclusion: regular study of science subjects at home significantly impacts the students' achievement levels. Through consolidation of knowledge, improved retention and recall, self-paced learning, and enhanced problem-solving skills, students can excel in their scientific pursuits. It is vital for students to develop a disciplined study routine at home, allocate dedicated time for science subjects, and engage actively in independent learning. By doing so, students can maximize their academic potential, cultivate a deep passion for science, and embark on a successful educational journey. Thank you for watching my video, and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.